Hey beauties, your girl Dimepiece back to talk to you about my new unit. Where did it go? Uh, you know I had to throw some funny in there. Here it is, HDL Lace, Florida from Fashion Source Wig Collection. Here is how the unit looks and comes packaged, so you know exactly what to look for when you hit up your local beauty supply store. Of course, Fashion Source Wig Collection is a sister brand of Rasta Free Braid, and we're going to go ahead and show you what the unit looks like. So of course it comes safely packaged just like this. And my favorite, it comes with an info tag to let you know exactly what you need to know about the unit, HDL Florida, and how to take care of it. Here you can see I'm wearing color T, 1B30, and here's more detail on HDL, High Definition Lace, Florida. Feel free to hang on to it for future reference. HDL Florida comes with layers of curls plus a side part to give you a nice natural look, and you're gonna love that the HDL Florida is curling iron safe. Yes, if you want to refresh the curls, go ahead, because it can take up to 360 degrees of heat. These curls are so pretty. I cannot wait to put this wig on. And again, the color is T1B30, but it's available in various colors. And of course, you see the high definition lace and the deep natural right side part. And you'll get a breathable, comfortable wig cap, plus adjustable straps and combs to make sure that your wig is secure and locked in place. All right, beauties, now it's time to grab our scissors so we can begin customizing our high definition lace. So I like to place my unit on a wig head so it's steady and secure as I cut the lace. You can also put it on your head or do it freehand, whichever works for you. This is just a necessary step, customizing your lace by cutting it so it looks natural and seamless on your perimeter as you're installing the HDL Florida unit. All right, beauties, so now we're all done cutting our high definition lace. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and remove the HDL Florida unit from the wig head so we can go ahead and put it on. So let's go ahead and do that. So to help place my wig on secure, I like to find the back comb and center it, especially that this unit has a sight right part. I want to make sure it's not crooked. So now that you centered the back comb, go ahead and place your wig on your head, and there we are. So now we have officially put on our high definition lace Florida unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection. But guess what? We're not quite done yet. I like to make my unit even more natural by customizing my lace by making the color a little bit more closer to my skin tone. And to do that, I'm going to do that with an eyeshadow palette that I have. And there's a brown that literally matches my skin tone. So I'm going to grab a makeup brush and a palette and apply the eyeshadow directly onto the high definition lace so that it matches my skin tone even more. And I'm using the third brown color of the Nika New York palette. It literally matches my skin tone, so I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and apply it like so. Super easy. Applying it alongside my perimeter where it's exposed. And I'm also going to apply some of the eyeshadow to the right side part. And there we are. Look how natural that looks. So the next step I like to do is cut some baby hair right on the side. So go ahead and grab your scissors and comb. And we're just going to cut a few hair strands so that it literally looks like it's coming out of your scalp and it is a part of you. So we're just going to cut here And to lay down your baby hair, I love to use ORS olive oil grip gel. You can also use this to bond your wig. I like to take my wig on and off like daily, so I didn't do it in this video, but we're just going to use it to lay down the baby hair. And there we are. So of course, to let the baby hair set, you can just let it dry, tie it down. I like to use a blow dryer, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a blow dryer and let it dry for a few minutes. So let's go ahead and do that now. And it dries super quick. And there we are, beauties. We are all done. Look at that. Super quick, super easy, and it's super important for my units to look and feel natural. I mean, the hair could be styled just like human hair. And the high definition lace, it blends in natural look of a hairline. And beauties, it's not gonna break your bags. So get yours today. I'm wearing the HDL Florida from Fashion Source Wig Collection, available now at your local beauty supply store. And again, I'm wearing a color T1B/30, but it's available in so many other colors to choose from. Fashion Source Wig Collection, make sure you follow them now on social media at FS_wigs and their sister brand at Rasta Free Braid. Of course, follow me, DJ Dimepiece, at DJ Dimepiece on all social media. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And be sure to hit that bell so you get the alert when future videos drop. I cannot wait for you to try this new unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection sister brand of Rasta Free HDL High Definition Lace Florida unit, available now at your local beauty supply store. Remember to look for this box and packaging. Can't wait to see you rock it, beauties. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to be on the lookout for the next one. New hairstyle on the way. See you on the next video, beauties.